This is my first hydrogen generator. This is water and baking soda, and we try to make fuel out of water. As you see in here, the hydrogen is traveling from this hose, going up and around, and it produces hydrogen. Some of the liquid just stay here at the bottom. If you touch this glass, it's a little bit hot because of the charge from this battery. This is a 12 volts charge. As you can see here below, hydrogen are producing. So let's try to fire this hose if you can get some fire. I want you to look at this portion of the hose where the fire can go. Let's fire this out. I'm using the matchstick for this. Look, have you seen that? One more time.